Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something seriously exciting for all the marketers, small business owners, freelancers, and even startup founders out there. We're diving deep into a tool that might just save your sanity and your time when it comes to writing emails. It's called HoppyCopy. Now, if you've ever struggled with writing newsletters, cold emails, product launches, or onboarding sequences, you know the pain. Staring at a blank page trying to sound exciting but not salesy, professional but not boring. Yeah, I've been there. But with HoppyCopy, it feels like those problems are slowly becoming a thing of the past. Let's start with first impressions. The interface is clean, super intuitive, and very beginner-friendly. You don't need to be a tech wizard to figure it out. Once you sign in, you're greeted with a dashboard that walks you through the process of generating email content using AI. You give it some basic inputs, your brand, product, audience, a few lines of context, and boom, you get a full draft email. The quality, surprisingly high. It's fluent, relevant, and often quite catchy. You can tell it's not just a generic content spinner, it's trained with intent. Now here's where it gets interesting. HoppyCopy doesn't just stop at giving you a paragraph or two. It has over 50 built-in templates for different kinds of email campaigns, product launches, welcome emails, re-engagement series, cart abandonment, promotional campaigns, and more. Each one is structured with the industry best practices, so you're not just getting copy, you're getting smart strategy baked in. That means you can stop worrying whether your CTA is in the right place or if your subject line is punchy enough. It's all handled. One of my favorite features? The spam checker. HoppyCopy includes a built-in spam analysis tool that scans your email content and flags words or phrases that might trigger spam filters. It's like having a compliance assistant right next to you. Especially if you're working in niches like supplements, finance, or crypto, you know how fragile those spam triggers can be. This tool gives you that extra confidence that your beautifully written email won't land in someone's spam folder and disappear forever. But that's not all. Let's talk about the AI editor tools inside HoppyCopy. You can highlight any sentence or paragraph and ask the AI to rewrite it, change the tone, make it more playful, professional, casual, etc., shorten or expand it, or generate new headline and CTA variations. It's like having a smart co-writer that actually listens to you. I've used it multiple times when I felt like my email sounded a bit too robotic or flat. The tone adjuster made it more conversational in seconds. And then there's AI Chat, their own version of ChatGPT but custom-trained for email marketing and content writing. You can literally ask it, give me 3 subject line ideas for a summer sale campaign for a fashion brand targeting Gen Z. And in a flash, you get results that are not just grammatically correct but often surprisingly on-brand. You can brainstorm campaigns, write slogans, or even come up with sequences. It's the kind of thing that makes you feel like you're not working alone. Now here's the feature that gave me a bit of a whoa moment. Competitor email tracking. Yep, you can actually spy, legally, on your competitors. HoppyCopy has this feature where you can enter a competitor's domain or brand name, and it'll show you the kinds of emails they're sending out, what subject lines they use, how often they send, and sometimes even snippets of their content. This is gold if you are in a saturated market and want to differentiate, or just see what others are doing right or wrong. Once your content is ready, HoppyCopy helps you export or publish it directly. It provides HTML email previews that are responsive, optimized for mobile, light and dark mode, and major email platforms. You can export them or push directly into your ESP, email service provider, like MailChimp, Klaviyo, ActiveCampaign, etc. This saves so much time compared to writing in Google Docs and copy-pasting all over the place. Okay, let's talk about the pricing. HoppyCopy has a 7-day free trial, so you can fully test everything before spending a dime. After that, plans start at around $23 per month for individual creators and go up to $79 per month for teams with larger usage needs. Honestly, if email marketing is a part of your business, even just one campaign per month, it's totally worth it. Think about the hours you save and the quality boost you get. Like with any tool, there are a few trade-offs. Some users report that the login system can be a little clunky at times, and if you're brand new to AI writing, it might take a couple of sessions to really tune the content to your voice. Also, the AI occasionally outputs content that needs a little polishing, but to be fair, no AI is perfect yet. What I appreciate most is that HoppyCopy isn't trying to be everything to everyone. It's focused, and that focus is email content. It's not trying to be a blogging platform or a full CRM or anything bloated. It's a laser-focused content engine that helps you get your message out fast and effectively. So who is this for? If you're a solopreneur, email marketer, e-commerce brand owner, or content strategist who writes and sends newsletters, this is absolutely worth checking out. Even agencies who handle multiple clients could benefit from the time-saving automation and the ability to keep voice and tone consistent. HoppyCopy actually has a brand voice memory feature where it learns your tone and preferences over time. The more you use it, the better it gets at mimicking your style. That means you don't have to retrain it every time. After a few weeks of consistent use, you start seeing emails that really feel like you, not some generic copy-paste template. So after using it for a month across 2 different brands I manage, what's the verdict? I'm impressed. It reduced my writing time by at least 70%. My open rates went up slightly because the subject lines were more creative, and my click-throughs, they doubled on one campaign simply because I had the bandwidth to test multiple CTAs and layouts using HoppyCopy's suggestions. The tool empowered me to experiment more without the extra workload. To wrap this up, if you've been sleeping on email marketing or you feel like your content is getting stale, HoppyCopy might be the spark you need. It blends powerful AI with practical features, all wrapped in a clean UI that respects your time. It doesn't replace you, and it supercharges you. Thanks for watching, or in this case, reading. If you found this review helpful, drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and let me know in the comments what tool you want me to break down next. And if you try HoppyCopy, come back and share your experience. I'd love to hear how it works for your business.